All right, future sailors, let's get into adding our boundaries. So if we run into something, we just finished eating apples. So now let's say what happens if we go out of boundaries. So we're going to have this if, once again, we are working inside of this tick menu. So if our x coordinate is greater than 0 or our x coordinate is less than 49, because remember we split this up into blocks, we are going to say that our y coordinate is greater than 0 or our y coordinate is greater than 49. Then we can close this up, and we've got this list right here. So if our x coordinate is greater than 0 or our y coordinate is greater than 49 or our, let's say this again. If our x coordinate is less than 0 or our x coordinate is greater than 49, so it is outside of the bounds in any direction, x or y, we are going to stop. Means game's over. Game's over. If you're looking at a great way to upgrade this program, I would suggest printing it on the screen. Now let's see. Y coordinate. Cool. So now we have set our boundaries for the outside. Let's do another condition, and this will be our last one. This is for self-collision. If, and I said if, so this is our for. We are going to be tracking this, whether or not the snake wraps around itself. So for integer I, because we want to continuously update this, we're going to say I is equal to 0, and then I is less than our snake dot size, and then I plus plus. We can close that up, open this up, and now we can say, ooh, we're getting a bunch of stuff already. Now we can say, oh, I. Now we can say if our x coordinate is equal to our snake dot get I, so we've added our length dot our get x coordinate, so it's going to be checking along the path of this snake if they have the same coordinates, and our y coordinate. So if both of our x and our y, meaning that our snake is where our snake is, they have ran into each other, we are going to say that it is game over. So we are going to do get I is dot get y coordinate. We'll close all of this up. So now, once we are inside of here, we are going to do a stop to our game. Errors. I need another close. All right. So to reiterate what I just went through, I know it was a little confusing. So we are continuously checking along the length of this. So every single time that there is an I, like our get I, we are going to check our snake size. So at our first spot of snake, second spot of snake, third spot of snake, fourth spot of snake, depending on how long it is. And then we are going to check if our X and Y coordinates are the same. If our X coordinate of our snake is the same as our snake size, then we know that our snake is touching our snake, and that means that it is game over. So let's run this. Ooh, I messed something up. For int I. Oh. Yes, there's another step inside of here. So, moving back just a little bit. If I is not equal to, so not equal to our snake dot size, and remember we're counting the snake size, minus 1, we are going to print this. So this is another case. If they are not equal to each other, then we have another if inside of here, and this is going to give us our little functionality that will make sure that when we start, we will have a snake that is moving. Cool, there we go. So now we can see that we can go through here. I'm going to see if I can get the snake long enough where it can wrap around itself. Oh, so close. I tell you, the frame rates do help. Oh, too good, too good. I guess I just can't lose. There we go. So once it actually hits itself, it's going to lose the game. Let's check and make sure that the border is also bad, as in that if we hit it, we're going to lose the game. Boom, it stops. Cool. That's Snake. If you want to add more to this, this is just a bare bones version of Snake. You can add more to it. It'd be great. It'd be great. I'd be super happy. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.